Hi friends, this is Sushant, and this video is about how OTG Type-C OTG cable works on Smartron SRT phone, and what is the speed, how fast it transfers from phone to pen drive. This is a Mozart pen drive, very fast and very sturdy, and from pen drive to the phone. Let's start it. This is a cheap USB Type-C cable, OTG cable, you can see. Okay, and I bought it for only 120 rupees locally, and this is from brand name is written as Docomo. Okay, now let's connect it. It will go to this port. Okay, done. Now let's connect this one. Here. कैसे जाएगा तो? Okay, now it's connected. Let me see if it is working. I'm trying it for the first time. I haven't tried this cable or checked it. Okay, so if you see here, if you can see, let me just okay, you can see it is detecting it, and a pen drive for transferring media, so it's working. So now open up the file manager. File manager is let me see if I can see this. Yes, USB Type-C. So first we'll transfer a file which is 254 MB. Let's transfer this small one, 124. It's let's copy this, copy to, now I've transferred it to memory card, and let's copy. So this file is getting copy 124. The transfer speed is pretty high, 5 seconds, 4 seconds, 3, 2, 1, done. Great. So 124 MB transferred within 10 seconds. Now let's try, now go vice versa. So now I'm in this. So now I'll transfer from phone to the pen drive. This is now let me copy it, copy and paste it, copy. Let me see the speed. Oh great, it transferred very fast. Let us try it again, because it was the same file. So now we have to transfer from phone. Let's transfer some other file. Songs. Let's transfer 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's copy them. Copy. USB storage. Now let's copy. So it's copying. Oh, within few seconds it's transferred around 20 to 30 MB files. So guys, this was the cheap USB Type-C OTG cable and how it works. And now to disconnect it, I'll do one thing. It checked. Now it's telling me don't remove, so just for safety purpose I'm doing this, and once it's removed, safe to remove, then I'll just get it removed. It's taking time to unload the USB storage. Now it's unloaded. Let me see. Still saying don't remove. We'll wait. So guys, tell me how did you like this video, and do you also use any kind of USB OTG Type-C USB OTG cable? What was the cost for it? Is it worth? So now it has been, we can remove it safely. It's very tight. Oh, done. So this is a cheap one made by Docomo, and it's very, cheap, but it's working, getting things done. I rarely use it, but sometime I require require to transfer it from my phone to this pen drive, so I can view TV shows on my full HD TV from Samsung. So good. If you like this video, please hit the like button and share it, comment it, and also follow me and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Have a great night.